Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing a package I got from Shien to complete others I got for my business. So let's dive into it. We have this transfer tape I got for my work, but then this shirt is for someone. It's part of the order I'm supposed to design the bag for her. So let me open it for you guys to see.
This is a packaging for the glass cup. I have to customize the cup with different designs.